Alright, in the last video, you saw us lay the gas pipe, you saw the plumbers come in and pipe everything in. We didn't let you know if it was going to start because the electrician's not scheduled to come in until far later, so we fashioned a little bit of an extension cord onto the end of the unit just so that we could test it before we build the walls up. So, is it going to start? Wait a minute. Before we do that, let's just remember how much hard work went into getting that gas pipe there. Ooh boy, look at how tired old-timey Dan is. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out the last video. Alright, enough silliness. Let's see this thing go. And voila! Alright, good news, the fireplace is going. Bad news, there was a chipped brick a couple bricks down. So, good for the client that the boss is always on the job site. Kind of a pain in the butt for the workers. I started demoing the work that we had already accomplished, just so that I could get that chipped brick out of there. Once the brick was removed, it was time to start building things back up again. Since we're past the hardest stage, which is getting the first course level, which isn't even that hard on a structural wall that has a concrete foundation, because you got the concrete level, which is significantly easier than getting brick pavers level. Now it's just a matter of laying the pavers with care and building up. Glue, paver, glue, paver. When building walls, it's best to just do a few courses, stop, let that glue harden, and then build up some more. The wall is easily compromised when sitting on top of wet glue. With a little hip smack or an elbow bump, your whole wall can get messed up and you might not notice it till days later, and then you're having to demo lots of expensive brick and lose a lot of labor. So only build a couple of courses at a time, let it harden, work on something else, come back the next day. This fireplace was built over several days that have been spliced into this video, but some of the other work you've already seen, like the gravel being built up and other walls being built, happened in between. When you come back the next day and you check your hard walls out, sometimes you'll notice that it's not perfectly flat because the brick pavers aren't manufactured perfectly and the spacers aren't perfect and the glue sets up a little different all over the place. So if you've only built up 4 walls, it's not a big deal. You take your grinder, you get it perfect again, and then you start building from there up. Another one of the main reasons, you only build a couple layers, let it harden, and then work on it some more the next day. Alright guys, I love all forms of art and I appreciate you watching these videos because it allows me to express myself in a different way than I'm normally used to. So I tried to make the next couple shots cinematic. You let me know what you think. The wall was built up to the opening of the fireplace, and that's where we were going to let it stop. We wanted it to harden there, and then we had to grind in some metal so that we could build up over the opening. And that's where we'll be in the next video. I hope you enjoy watching these videos as much as I enjoy sharing them. If so, subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell. If you want to see the rest of the videos in the series, here's a playlist that has them all in there. If you want to know more about our company, those videos are there. I'm Scott Flanagan. I appreciate you watching this video. I will see you in the next one.